Go ahead.
Hi, we have accepted the Loving Care Agency Ice Water Bucket Challenge. I'm Liz Scanlon. I'm accepting the challenge, and I am nominating Kathy Anwell, Julie Arnold, and Nanette Phillips.
I'm Virginia Reid in the Pittsburgh branch. I'm accepting the challenge, and I am nominating Angelica
Gazin,
and Michelle Witowski and Leah Paris.
Thanks.
I'm Lisa Grilli, and I've accepted the challenge, and I'm nominating Kristen Sehan and Clarice Mitchell and Linda Anello.
Okay, ice in the buckets, ladies.
Okay, Jimmy.
Now we're putting dirty ice in.
Oh my God. Sorry.
That's okay.
Okay.
All right.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Ready?
Three,
Okay, that felt good. That felt good.